Hi dear Floral fans! Today we're gonna make a spring bulb centerpiece. I've used the branches of a birch tree for the base and a piece of pruning waste for the handle. So it's a very upcycle of pruning waste. You can also use the fallen branches. There's no difference. I take all the branches to the table to asunder the longer and the shorter ones. When I have all the longer ones, I make 4 bunches of it. I also make 2 shorter bunches, so you have a total of 6 bunches. When you have all the longer ones together, you tie them very hard. I use iron wire. You can also use binding wire. I recommend that you cannot see the color of it. Make sure the iron wire is in place properly. You don't want your centerpiece to fall apart later. To make the base, you need first 4 bunches of birch tree, which you tighten on the end of the pruning waste, 2 on each side of it. Then you'll see the shape becomes more clearly. When you've wired them on the pruning waste, you can see it's almost looking like a bag. When they are on, you can now fold the bottom side together and wire them on separate places. To get a good shape, I recommend that you wrap a piece of wire loosely around the branches. Now you have the base. Then it's time for the inside. Here you can see I loosely tied some iron wire to make the shape better. Again, we take 2 bunches of birchwood and tuck them inside. You put the top of the bunches in the other branches and fold it the way you like it. I've also used a bit of more pruning waste, which is not necessarily, but I like it. Then I'm gonna putting it into place so I can see it from the kitchen window. We're gonna decorate it with bulbs from daffodils, snowdrops and grape hyacinth. I'm also using some moss to cover the earth and the roots. Because it's into place, you can easily fold it the way it has to stand. I'd like to use staples, because you can easily remove them when the bulbs have bloomed. If you don't have staples, don't rush, you can also use iron wire. Then I was shaping it into the way I like it. And now I'm gonna enjoy my homemade centerpiece. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next vid. Bye!